Hi, let's take a look at some cryptos here. I'm on tradingview.com. Get rid of these advertisements here. So we got Ethereum up here. Just like all the cryptos, it's had a big sell-off. There's some significant technical damage that's been done here. This is a daily chart. We are still above uptrending Ichimoku cloud. Quite often it's the bottom of the cloud that provides the best support. Another thing I found is I've learned Ichimoku is if the cloud is too steep, price can tend to ignore it. This cloud is pretty steep. So then we look at our price action support. We've got a lot of price action support right in this area around 2100, 2150. These bounces have been working. I think if you want to play the bounce game, you can look to get in below 2200 and sell up above 2600. One of these candles we got all the way up to 2950. I think 3000 is strong resistance right now. We have our downtrending Dickinson here, and Keita Sinclair up here at 3200. This is a daily chart. I like to look at multiple time frames to get an idea of where the downtrending pressure is. We are responding to the downtrending Keynesian line here. We tried to get above it. It looked like we were going to get TK cross here, and then that failed. And we got a pretty big red candle here. I was looking at this dip here a little while ago, down around 2200. I thought about jumping in, but with these downtrending technicals, these bounces may not work too well. Some of them did here, but that may not always be the case. So me personally, right now, I'm just staying out of the way. I do like Ethereum, and I was trading it. I got out way up here when we fell below the cloud. Also, another thing that's concerning about some of these, if you look at a weekly chart, look how steep that trend is. If that's not a rocket launch to the moon, I don't know what is. You're looking to get to the moon. You start from down here, from 400 to 4,000, 4,500, get all the way up to 4,600. So from 400 to 4,600, that's basically to the moon. So where is the best price action support? There's some price action support around in here. So we saw this wick right here. We're looking at around 1900 to 2000 range. We got some price action support back here, down around 1275 or so. So how low can it go? Well, there's no telling, but it's going to take some news, I think, to turn things around. The market's been pretty bullish on this, but we have this huge bearish engulfing candle here. Major climax top. Let's look at a 30-minute chart. So when I play a bounce, I like to come down and look at the 30-minute chart. You can see these bounces here. We got a bounce. We're getting up into the 2900 range with a couple of these here. I don't know that we're going to get there again. We've got a downtrending cloud over here. So part of the reason we were able to defeat the cloud here is because look how steep and thin it was. And then it flattened out. We were able to get above it. Now we've fallen back below. So really the indicator works best on the higher time frames. But if you want to play these bounces, I like looking at a 30-minute chart so you know where your downtrending pressure is. Let's go back to a daily. Let's look at Dogecoin. So Dogecoin has got kind of a thin stair-step type cloud. These flat areas here are support areas. We broke down below this one here at about 40 cents. We've got another one down here at about 26, 27 cents. This type of cloud, this thin stair-step cloud, is not that good at providing support. I think the best support's right down here, really at this 26, 27 cents area. You can see as we dip down there, we're getting a pretty good reaction, but we're seeing lower highs. We've got a nice range that people were trading here. $30-minute chart. Well, let's look at a 4-hour chart first. So 4-hour chart, the cloud makes a little bit more sense. And we broke down below the cloud here. You can see where we fell, reacted near the bottom, tested the top and failed. And then the cloud was acting as resistance here. We're kind of trying to climb the wall of the cloud. Test it again here. This chart is not looking too good to me. So we've got some price action support around here on this 35-cent area. Looks like we're trying to hold that area now. I think a break below that, we're going to go down to this 27 cents area, 26 cents area. Let's see what a weekly chart of this looks like. So, weekly chart of this is awfully steep. Really high risk trading this thing, I think, at this point. It's I think if we can get, this is clear down below a penny here, so I think if we can get back down here to the bottom, there'd be a lot of price support, but I don't think it's going to get back down to 6 or 7 cents again, but you never know. And these patterns can take quite a bit of time to work out, so this could take weeks more of trading action. Get down to a range where it's really going to put on a new uptrend, but it's hard to say. We just follow the charts. ADA, Cardano. This one's been pretty popular. We're getting down here to a nice price support area. A lot of price support down this area around $1.40, $1.40-ish. We got some nice pin bar reactions here. $1.35, 36. Be interesting to see if that holds. We do have a steep thin cloud here. I kind of have a feeling things are going to turn around pretty soon for crypto, but right now we've got a lot of downtrending pressure. So it looked like we're going to get a buy signal here with a TK cross, and that failed, and now we're coming right back down, possibly for another TK cross going down. Bitcoin is down to 37,000 now. This is quite a downtrend here. Looked like we had a TK cross here as well that's going to fail. So I'm expecting these things to continue to sell off for the weekend from what the technicals are telling me. Okay, that's a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Daily chart, we're pretty oversold here. It's a pretty steep downtrend. We may be seeing a pullback, but things can stay oversold for quite a while, so it's hard to judge by that. I like to, this is why I like the 4-hour chart. It's just a little bit easier. It makes a little more sense to read. Let's see if I have any others. No, that's all the crypto I have that I watch normally here. So I'm going to wrap this up for now.